Kev.
Uh,
Kev.
uh,
Wake up.
Why?
It's Sunday.
Let me rest.
It's Palm Sunday.
Already?
Every day. Okay guys, palm stick stuff. First thing we're going to talk about, lesson one as it were, is are you going to be walking around with one in your hand all the time, just in case? Probably not. You see a lot of videos and people going, they've got it in the hand ready to go, you'll be wheeling along. So what I've got is, I've got some on me, so for me, one in my pocket, Kudentan key ring with no key on it, it would be here. So if I suspect something or something's getting in the way, hands in the pocket, this can come out. I've stepped back, I'm keeping my weapon hand back and my other hand as a guard hand. What I don't want to do is this, because now with the extent of my ability, and there's a good chance they're getting grabbed. If I'm not carrying my cane, my stick would be here. So it'd be in this pocket, so I can pull this out. This is actually my favourite one, it's called a Tai Chi ruler. Exactly the same, it's quite large, I quite like this one. Same principle as before, so I can use this either that way or that way. If I'm carrying my cane, it'd be in this pocket, so the chance would change to suit being in my left hand. If I haven't got any of those, I've got my trusty pen, it will be here. So this is my tactical pen, Smith & Wesson. As I'm pulling this out, again I'm stepping back. I tend to go for this grip because I like the hammer strikes rather than the pokes, but it depends on availability of targets and what you feel like doing at the time, depending on your grip, because everything will change in a moment.
If you see Chris's stance, Chris had the backhand ready. I go for the full stop. If in the self-defence environment, someone's coming at you and you're going, stop. Why have I got the fan? Because I'm really hot. It's there, ready to strike in the backhand, and I'm saying, no. I've got my fingers together, they can't grab the fingers. Stop, come in closer, C grab, strike through. Thanks for watching, we hope you like. Drop us a line down below.
As usual, please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Don't forget to ring the bell so you can get notifications, and don't forget to free the fear.